Okay,
Like here, and if we skip one or something, we go back, and somebody not walk behind us to fill in the holes that we missed put the plants in. That's what we do.
okay. So if you skip and you go back and fill those in.
Usually we have somebody walk behind the tractor.
Oh, okay. You
Just
just
and one other person over there, they won't hardly miss one hard.
okay.
He's doing it all by himself. He be two riding.
Two people riding, and they carry one row at a time
Yeah, that's right.
until they get them done.
Yes, sir. They get calibrated. They won't hardly miss one.
Okay, let me get this right. Now, is the tractor producing the water? The water come out of the tractor?
Well, no, the water's coming out those tanks up there.
The water's come out those tanks there.
Yeah.
Okay, the water's come out those tanks, and I see that the holes are made by the tractor itself.
Yeah, by the machine.
By the machine.
Yeah, by the machine. You punch the holes in.
Punch the holes.
We just put the plant down it, mash it down, throw it in the water. And when the water dries up, it seals the soil around the plant.
Okay, so you don't have to just.
You don't have to pour dirt in on it.
Oh, really?
Not when you put water in.
Oh, I just learned something new. You put water.
See, when that water settles, you're going to pull all that loose stuff in on that plant.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about putting in it.
But most time we try to push it down as much as we can, get as deep as we can in that trench.
Right.
So we don't have no problem with it.
Okay, okay. Like I'm always learning something new.
So I'm gonna walk here to the truck and see if I got some of those cleats. I'm missing plants. See right here, this space here, I got a couple of cleats that y'all put just in there.
Oh, okay.
I need to have 3 more plants in between that.
Okay. So some of the cleats
I
out.
got some over here, some over here in the truck. Let's go ahead.
Okay.
And see.
All right. Well, go ahead then and do what you got to do. It's a process, as I said before. It's a process. It's a lot of work. Action Reynolds. He's going to be getting these 24,000 in the ground within the next 3 days. It's a lot of work. A lot of manpower to get these things done. And when he gets them completed, you got this part to plant. They're gonna plant over there as well. The rows are very long, as you can see. A lot of planting gonna go on. But in 50 days, you'll be able to see the fruit of the labor, because these things will be ready. And I was saying, I'm trying to learn all I can from him, because the fact that, and I share with you so you can learn something as well. Yeah, I never thought about watering, even though my father used to have was watering the plants. But they're putting water, the machine producing the water. And they also making the holes and keep this, putting the plants into the ground. So just kind of share it with you. This is the start. We're gonna follow it from start to finish. 24,000 plants will be going in the ground within the next 3 to 4 days. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna follow the progress. We're gonna follow them as they come up, and we're gonna show you the entire process until the end. Just want to share it with you. It's starting now. It's starting now. The start of 24,000 collard greens going in the ground. All right. Later.